I bet you didn't know the ultimate motherboard for Ryzen 9000 is here. Let's dive in. Say hello to the MSI MEG X870E Godlike, the ultimate powerhouse for your gaming and content creation needs. Built for the latest Ryzen 9000 series processors, this motherboard boasts a rock-solid 28-phase VRM power delivery system. Need stable overclocking? Dual 8-pin EPS connectors got you covered. And how about future-proofing? An additional 8-pin PEG connector supports next-gen GeForce RTX 50 series graphics cards. With support for up to 256 GB of DDR5 RAM at blazing speeds over 8,000 MTS, your rig will be unstoppable. Storage? We've got you covered with 5 M.2 slots, 4 PCIe 5.0, and 3 PCIe 4.0, plus 4 SATA 3 ports. Excited yet? MSI's 800 series motherboards are expected in mid-September, but the Godlike might drop a bit later. Stay tuned. Don't miss out on the latest in tech. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated.